Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain Web GIS and Cloud GIS. First, let's understand what Web GIS is. Web GIS is a type of distributed information system. It consists of at least two main components, a server and a client. The server works as a GIS server, while the client can be a web browser, desktop application, or mobile application. The server has a URL, which allows clients to find and access it through the internet. This means users can open GIS data and maps directly from their devices using the web. Now let's look at the software and service requirements of Web GIS. A typical Web GIS system includes server hardware, GIS server, web server, and a relational database management system. It also requires a server operating system and GIS services. On the client side, users can access the system using web browsers or mobile devices through the internet. Next, we move to GIS in the cloud, which represents the new age of cloud computing in geographic information systems. Cloud computing is rapidly emerging as an important technology trend. Many industries that provide or use software, hardware, and infrastructure can benefit from cloud computing. The technologies and architectures used in cloud services are important areas of research and development in GIS technology. Now let's understand what cloud computing is. Cloud computing provides technological capabilities that are usually maintained off-premises. These capabilities are delivered on demand as services through standard internet protocols. There are three main cloud service models. The first model is software as a service, or SaaS. In this model, end-user applications are delivered as services instead of traditional installed software. A common example is Salesforce, which provides a customer relationship management system that can be accessed through the internet. The second model is Platform as a Service, or PaaS. This model provides an application platform or middleware as a service, where developers can build and deploy custom applications. These platforms may include APIs, tools, databases, business process management systems, and security integration. An example of this model is Microsoft Windows Azure Platform Services. The third model is Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS. This model provides computing infrastructure such as hardware, storage, operating systems, and computing power as on-demand services instead of dedicated on-site resources. Examples include Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, also known as EC2, and Rackspace. Finally, there are different cloud deployment models, including public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. A public cloud is the most common type of cloud computing. In this model, the infrastructure and applications are owned by organizations that provide cloud services. A private cloud is used within a specific organization. It operates behind a firewall and is maintained within the organization's own environment. A hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private clouds. Many organizations believe this approach provides the best balance for cost optimization and system flexibility. So, this is the basic overview of Web GIS, Cloud GIS, and cloud computing concepts. Thank you.